Some people might be seeking a budget-friendly drone with solid features. The Holystone Mini Drone HS210 is our choice for the best drone under $50, and it might be what you need. For anyone looking for an ultra-cheap drone, the Holystone HS210 only costs $35 and is designed with new pilots in mind. It provides 3 flight modes for different skill levels, decent range, and solid battery life considering the price. While the battery only provides a limited 6 to 7 minutes of usage, you get 3 included batteries that take around an hour to charge to bolster the flight time to a respectable 20 minutes, and it comes with a convenient low battery indicator. Unfortunately, it lacks a built-in camera, but the compact size means it doesn't require FAA registration and is extremely portable. I think the 40 to 50 meter range is solid and should be suitable for children and beginners, while the headless mode allows for easier maneuverability. It comes with 3 speed modes depending on your experience level, and it can perform some advanced functions such as 3D flips, flying in a circle, and high-speed auto rotation. It also delivers a toss-to-launch function for added entertainment. I like that it provides a one-key start, which allows for simple takeoffs and landings. The emergency stop feature is an excellent addition, and it automatically powers down when facing strong winds or electrical interference for enhanced protection. While the altitude holds auto hovering isn't the most accurate, it's functional and enables the drone to maintain your desired height. You also get propeller guards to protect the blades from minor collisions, and these can reduce the chance of accidental injury. Holystone even includes a sturdy controller for some user convenience. The Holystone Mini Drone HS210 delivers solid performance at a sub-$50 price tag. You get some essential features, multiple batteries for enhanced flight time, and a host of protective features to keep your drone safe. I would recommend this for children or for primarily indoor use. If you're new to flying drones and want something that's cheap, beginner-friendly, and performs well, the Snaptane S5C might be the drone for you. The Snaptane S5C is a solid option and delivers some luxurious features considering the $75 price. You get an easy-to-use 720p camera with VR functionality, protective propeller guards to enhance durability, and a trajectory mode that allows you to customize your flight path. The S5C provides a decent 9-minute flight time and takes around 90 minutes to complete a full charge. It includes a spare battery for additional flight time, and you get a decent control range of 80 meters. You get some advanced features such as a gravity sensor and VR headset compatibility, while the built-in 720p offers FPV and allows you to stream footage directly to your smartphone, although the transmission distance is relatively limited. It also comes with voice and gesture controls, and it can take pictures or start recording for convenient hands-free functionality. I think the trajectory mode is an excellent feature typically found on higher-end models, which lets you customize your flight path via the app. I believe the one-button operation makes it perfect for novices, and this intuitively allows it to take off, land, and return to you. Unfortunately, the build quality isn't top-end, so the lightweight plastic frame might not survive serious crashes and isn't suitable for use in windy conditions, but the propeller guards act as useful anti-collision barriers for some added protection from minor scrapes. I think the altitude hold function is a nice addition, and this keeps it steady when hovering at specified altitudes for better camera performance and to make landing easier for you. It also comes with an advanced 6-axis flight control system to deliver a more stable flying experience. The Snaptane S5C is an affordable option that offers good performance considering the price. You get some advanced features like customizable flight paths, an altitude hold function for improved balance, and you can stream footage directly to your phone. I would recommend this for novices looking for a bargain price. If you're looking for the drone that gives you the best blend of features and affordability, I think the Rise Tello provides good value. The Rise Tello only costs $100, but it delivers a flying experience and features that outperform the price. This quadcopter gives you solid battery life in a compact design, responsive controls, and it's programmable using the Scratch language for some added functionality. The Tello provides a respectable 13 minutes of flight time, and it takes around 75 minutes to completely charge. You get a decent range of 100 meters, and you can control this device via the intuitive companion app. You can also control it through a Bluetooth gaming controller, although this isn't included and reduces the range. Its built-in nose-mounted 720p camera is solid and is capable of shooting video at 30 frames per second and capturing 5-megapixel images that conveniently upload directly to your smartphone. While the video can be choppy and lacks dynamic range, it comes with electronic image stabilizing software to improve quality. I also like that it comes with 3 intelligent flight modes, along with advanced features like VR compatibility and the throw and go, which automatically enables hovering when you toss it in the air using its 14-core processor. I think the built-in battery warning system adds some utility and can ensure you don't accidentally lose your drone. This automatic takeoff and landing feature is also helpful, and the responsive controls deliver a pleasant experience. You get downward-facing stability sensors to prevent unwanted drifting when static, although they won't stand up to heavy gusts and require light to work. The propeller guards provide the blades with solid protection. You also get Scratch compatibility that adds some functionality and allows it to perform your customized flight patterns and behaviors. The Rise Tello gives you solid value by providing advanced features at a relatively affordable price. You get solid battery life, intelligent flight modes, comprehensive programmability, and a host of beginner-friendly features like battery alerts and automatic takeoff and landing. I would recommend this as a starter drone to learn the basics. GPS is an important feature and enables accurate tracking, so if you're looking for an affordable drone with impressive GPS capabilities, the Eachine 520S might be able to satisfy your needs. For anyone looking for a more advanced drone, the Eachine 520S costs $130 and gives you a solid range of features. You get respectable image and video quality, easy-to-use controls, and VR capabilities for an immersive flying experience. It offers a lengthy flight time of around 16 minutes in calm conditions, and a full charge doesn't take too long at around 2.5 hours. It's made from a lightweight plastic and is relatively portable, though you'll need to register it with the FAA. I think the camera delivers some impressive specs, and it offers 4K resolution photos, 2K video clips, and a super wide 120-degree viewing angle with a manually adjustable lens. Unfortunately, it lacks a gimbal for stabilization, so videos can be shaky, but the overall results are better than many budget competitors, and it offers local storage. The 300-meter control range is solid and uses 5G Wi-Fi for a reliable connection, although this is reduced in FPV mode, which gives you real-time visual feedback. I also like that you can customize a flight path using the waypoint feature, and the VR capabilities are a welcome add-on. I believe the GPS functionality differentiates it from its competitors, and it provides precise positioning details and some fail-safe features, such as the auto-return mode that activates when the battery is low to prevent your drone from drifting off, along with the follow me function. The one-key takeoff and landing makes it a breeze to use and allows for easier operation. You also get an altitude hold feature to maintain a hover, and the headless mode makes it easy to direct. The Eachine 520S delivers some good features and impressive GPS performance, and it gives you some good bang for your buck. You get a solid control range, easy operation, and some useful intelligent features. I think this is a great choice for most people and can withstand moderate conditions. For anyone looking for a beginner drone that offers the best overall performance while remaining affordable, the Holystone HS510 might be what you're looking for. If you're okay with spending a bit more upfront, the Holystone HS510 costs $170 and comes with some impressive performance for a budget-priced drone. You get impressive and high-quality video recording, solid portability, and advanced GPS functions to improve your experience. The HS510 comes with a lengthy 16 minutes of flight time that takes around 150 minutes to fully charge, along with an additional battery. You also get an impressive range of 800 meters from the controller. I think the video resolution is top-notch, and you get a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 120-degree wide viewing angle and an image resolution of 8 megapixels. While you need to adjust the lens angle manually and the 4K video quality isn't great at only 16 frames per second, the 2.7K video is impressive and performs well. I believe the brushless motors provide added value with improved hovering, and they're quieter, more aerodynamic, and more powerful than normal brushed motors. The Ophelia companion app is helpful and delivers low-latency FPV within a respectable 200 to 300 meter range. You can also customize a flight path using the tap fly feature or hover around a specific point. I think the GPS bolstered functions are helpful, and they include the smart return home that intuitively comes back to you when it has a weak signal or low battery, and the follow me mode that locks onto your phone's GPS to stay nearby so you can accurately track your drone. It also provides 2-speed controls for easy maneuverability. While it lacks some stability and only uses a single-axis gimbal, the downward-facing optical flow sensor maintains a reliable hover in well-lit conditions when the GPS signal is weak. The Holystone HS510 is a top-notch budget option with some impressive performance. You get high-resolution video recording and a useful companion app, an improved and efficient brushless motor, and GPS functions to enhance utility. I think this is a good choice for videographers shopping on a budget. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.